Islamabad, the government has notified the introduction of contributory fund scheme for new entrants to the civil government and armed forces of Pakistan. The finance minister said the federal government employers would contribute 10% of their basic pay, while the government would contribute 20 PC full stop. It said the government had decided that in future the contributory pension fund scheme shall be introduced for by the civil employers of the federal government, including the civilian paid from the defense estimates who were appointed on a regular basis or after July 1, 2024. This scheme shall also be applicable to the armed forces who are appointed on a regular basis on or after July 1, 2025. The notification added the government has allocated Rs 10 billion for the pension fund in the budget for 2024 to 2025. Economic Coordination Committee green light major pension reform. The new scheme is not applicable to the existing employers. The government believes the contribution pension fund would slow down the growth in pension liabilities in future. The federal government total expenditure for pensions has been estimated at Rs 1.14 trillion for the current fiscal year, up from Rs 821 billion in this included pension liabilities of the armed forces at Rs 66 billion for the current fiscal year, up from Rs 563 billion, showing an increase of about 8 PC. The pension expenditure of civilian on the other hand has been budgeted at Rs 22 billion for the current year against Rs 228 billion last year, a reduction of 3.5 PC full stop. One of the major reasons for hike in the pension budget was Rs 122 billion allocation for the 15 PC percentage increase in pension with effect from July 1, 2024.